What I'm about to do this.
You know what I'm about to do, don't you? Good morning, Facebook people. This is your boy Shock V, aka Vincent L, bringing it to you on this Back to Reality Monday. Whew, thank you, Jesus, for bringing me back home, man. I have made it home and I am here. I am back to bring you the weather and the birthday shout outs today, man. It is going down today. It is a nice, beautiful, windy like day. I'm on this side of the dirt. That's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? But your boy right now, he's just here and he's just happy to be here. He's back home. I had a little trip this yesterday, you know what I'm saying? I'm back. I'm back. I feel like kissing the brown because I'm back in Kentucky, man. Kentucky is where it's at, and I'm so lucky to be back in Kentucky. And that's all I got to say about that. But the thing is, your boy right now, he's about to get in these weathers. But first things first, he got to get into these birthdays, you know what I'm saying? I want to send a special shout out to Lamont Rucker. If you don't know who he is, man, he turned 43 today, man. He's that man that played in, man, he's in them Tyler Perry movies, man. Y'all know who he is, man. Anyway, he turned 43 today, man. I want to spend a special shout out to my homegirl, Tanisha Woods, baby. Happy birthday, my homegirl, Coca-Cola, whatever you want to do, semi-driver. I love you. I miss you. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Gurney's Travis, you know what I'm saying? Travis Hughes, you know what I'm saying? I love you too, you know what I'm saying? That's what it is, you know what I'm saying? And my Wu-Tang man. Wu-Tang to the end, man. Shout out to Antoine, man. What's going on with you, Antoine Simmons, man? That's my boy. And, man, I want to send a special shout out to my brother up there in heaven. And I miss you. And we all miss you, man. Shout out to Noah Williams, man. Today would have been your birthday, man. I just want to say I'm glad that I was able to know you. You was my brother from another mother, but that's how it is, man. Shout out to Shandell too, man. You know, it's Shandell's first brother, you know what I'm saying? I mean, that's just what I'm saying, second brother, I mean, but you know, he was my first, you know, I'm just saying that I'm his first brother, but I'm just saying that though. But shout out to you, Noah, man, somewhere up there in heaven having a good time, and that's all that is all about right there, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, I just want to say, you know, yesterday your boy tripped out, man, went all the way to Cebu Lou, you know, went down there in the Lou, man, and kicked it with my man Cebu, man, went to go see my cousin, man. I want to send a special shout out to my cousin Peaches. What's going on with your Peaches? I want to send a special shout out to Abria and the mother of Carlandra, daughter of my cousin Peaches, man. You know what I'm saying? All the way down there in St. Louis, man. I just love y'all, man, and I hope y'all having a good week, Brand, and Mari. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all holding it down there for a week. You know what I'm saying? I want to send, like I said, I want to send a special shout out to Cebu and Lacey. You know what I'm saying? I want to send a special shout out to them pizza folk that came through with that pizza. Ooh, gosh. I had this pizza, right? It's called Jets. I don't know if y'all know anything about Jets, man. It comes out of Michigan, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to them folk down there in Michigan, man. The pizza was off the chain, you know what I'm saying? It tastes a little bit like Pizza Hut in the 70s, you know what I'm saying? When Pizza Hut was real good. I mean, I like Pizza Hut now, but still, it tastes like them back in the 70s, you know what I'm saying? But that's what it is like that, man. But right now, your boy always trying to get it in with that weather, you know what I'm saying? And that's how I got to do it, you know what I'm saying? So right now, you know, we here in P-Town, you know what I'm saying? It is going down in P-Town right now, man. We are at 61 degrees today. We're going to be probably like 76, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to them folk out there in Mayfield, man. Shout out to my cousins, man. Shout out to my daddy, man. Shout out to Connie, man. You know what I'm saying? Chase them, everybody know. Gus, what's going on with y'all, man? Y'all going to be 75 degrees today. While my cousin down there in Mary, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to you, Aunt, man. You is 73 degrees, you know what I'm saying? Marietta, where Vic and Vogue is, man. I got to talk to my brother yesterday, FaceTime, you know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about, you know what I'm saying? I'm missing you, my bro. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is, man. 77 degrees. You know what I'm saying? I want to send a special shout out to my cousin Margaret down there in Humble, Texas, that's holding it down at 84. You know what I'm saying? The Khaki Lackeys at 74. You know what I mean? Louisville, what's going on, D-Hara, man? You at 69. NYC, Donald D in the NYC, of course, is at 69 degrees, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to G-Flex, them out there flexing up down there in Chicago, man. Y'all at 59, you know, in the Windy City. Like I said, Cebu in the Lou came through, man. Be on the lookout for that video we did yesterday, man. That's what was up, man. But y'all gonna be 70 degrees today, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Garland in the Big Easy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all at 83 degrees, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Oakland. Shout out to Wolf and Uncle Dave down there in Oakland at 81 degrees. While my cousin Skeet, man, and Dennis them down there in Flint and Detroit, man, y'all at 59 degrees, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Shout out to the upcoming birthday boy, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Lawrence, man. Shout out to Easy P down there, man, in Evansville, man. Y'all 72 degrees, you know what I'm saying? Olivia, man, y'all making it happen down there in Tampa, man, at 83 degrees, you know what I'm saying? And shout out to my man Haywood Pratt, you know, down there in Oklahoma City, man, at 86 degrees. You know what I'm saying? The district spots, the DMV, you know what I'm saying? What's up, Antoine, man? Y'all doing y'all thing at 75 degrees. Boulder, Colorado, man. Shout out to Miss Juanita, man. I want to send a special shout out to Miss Rose, too. You know, her granddaughter birthday's today, and I want to send a special shout to them, you know what I'm saying? That's what's going on with y'all, you know what I'm saying? And my people's down there in Seoul, Korea. Korea, man, y'all doing it up, man, at 68 degrees, you know what I'm saying? And that's what's going on out and about out here, man. But your boy right now about to get ready to head to work. He's kind of ready to go to work, you know what I'm saying? I'm out there, man, but you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get back down there to the loo, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, hey, that's what it's all about, you know what I'm saying? The boy like to travel sometime now, but that road, whew. Man, shout out to my cousin Tika. You know what I'm saying? Because she is one of the best drivers I know down there, man. She gets through that traffic, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my goodness, man. She is a rolling stone when it comes to that road, you know what I'm saying? But that's what is going on about that, man. But, you know, like your boy got to break out. He got to get ready to do his thing for the day. But, of course, you got to realize that no matter how you feel, you got to stay real because God is, and what he's doing is changing lives. And he's changing vibes. So if y'all out there feel like y'all want to change somebody's life, man, do what you got to do, man. Do it, man. Just change. Just make a change today. You know what I'm saying? If you got somebody you love, you better tell them because they might not be here tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Do what you got to do. Be real with yourself. And that's how it's all about, man. You got to be real with yourself first. If you ain't real with yourself, you ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? So let me go and turn around. This goes out to my cousin Tika. This goes out to my cousins and my family. I love y'all because every time I turn around, the Lord is blessing me. But I don't know what he's blessing today, but he's blessing. And he's always blessing. And that's what's going on. Y'all take care. I'll holler back at y'all tomorrow. Peace.